Hi everyone, it's Sheila and welcome back to my channel, Having Fun with Fashion Over 50. Today guys, I got my first ever Jeffree Star purchase ever, and this is the Valentine's Day Supreme Mystery Box for 2020. And I can't wait to open it and share it with you guys. But for those of you who don't know me, I just wanted to say hello. I hope you're having a great day. And I like doing unboxings from clothing subscription services and also beauty subscription services. So if you like those kind of videos, please consider subscribing down below. I would love to have you join me. Now, with all that good business done, let me tell you a little bit about the Jeffree Star Valentine mystery boxes. For those of you who might not know, most of you guys have probably already heard and probably have seen a lot of these unboxings already. But Jeffree Star released 3 mystery boxes for Valentine's Day this year. There was the small, the medium, and the large. Now, my daughter was able to get the small and the medium, and I'm going to insert pictures of the items that she got in her box, and I'll go through everything very quickly on what she got. And then I'm gonna go ahead and open mine. So the small was called the premium, and that was the $60 box. And I will insert a clip right here. She got the alien palette. She got a red beanie. She got the gloss, and I think the color was called succulent. And she also got a pop socket in pink. Now on to box 2, the deluxe. That was the only one that had a clothing item, and that was the $100 one. And she got 8 items in this box. And once again, I will insert the picture. She got the Jeffree Star hat in pink. She got the Jeffree Star black t-shirt, and on it's so cute. It has candy hearts, and it has all his little sayings, like can't relate, I'm gagging, hi, how are ya? She got the gloss, Legends Only. She got a mystery shade of lipstick. She got the mini Jawbreaker palette. She got straws, a straw set. She got the black. And she also got the 24 karat highlighter palette, Skin Frost. And she got the Jeffree Star mirror in black. Okay, so she was not able to get the Supreme, which is the one I wanted to get. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this with you guys, but then me and my daughter, we're gonna do some wheeling and dealing, and we're gonna do some trading up because she's got some stuff I want, and I got stuff she wants. So we're gonna wheel and deal, and I'll tell you at the end of the video what I ended up trading her for, because I know what she wants in my box. Okay, so let's go ahead. I'm going to start. I already cut the tape open. I think this should show. Okay, you guys ready? Here we go. Let's play magical music. La la! Oh, guys, I'm telling you, I did not even know who Jeffree Star was. Oh, I'm just so happy with what I'm seeing. I did not even know who Jeffree Star was up until this past November. And my daughter introduced me to him, and she's like, Mom, you cannot be a YouTuber if you do not know who Jeffree Star is. So she came over one day, it was after Thanksgiving, and me and her sat down in the living room and we watched a Jeffree Star. It was the Dollar General, where he takes his fancy car and he goes to Dollar General and buys all this makeup and tests all this Dollar General makeup. That was the first video I ever saw. Since then, I have watched, I don't even know how many of his videos. He is a star. He is one of them characters. He's like, you can't help but watch him. And I feel like everybody else in the world knows who Jeffree Star is, and I just discovered him. And I'm like, now I'm so excited to get my first items from him. And oh, I've watched so many of his makeup palettes and his makeup tutorials, and oh man, he is good. Oh my God. I wish I could do my makeup like him, but he's a very fascinating guy. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead. As you can see, the first item out is going to be this. And for those of you who are like me and clueless, but most of you guys are probably laughing at me because you know who he is. These are some of his favorite sayings, and this is a little bag, and these are all the things he always says on his videos. Can't relate. Jeffree Star approved. Every time he shows makeup, he'll say, "Is this Jeffree Star approved?" If he don't like a makeup, it's not going to get approved. Iconic. I'm gagging. Hi, how are ya? So this, I'm going to be going shopping and making sure I put all my little groceries in that one. Okay, I think I know what this one is, guys. This is, let's go ahead and open it. Ta-da! Blue Blood palette. Oh, oh, look how beautiful it is. Oh, he really does have nice stuff. Look at this. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and open it and show it to you guys. Now, I have seen other videos, of course, so I know what this looks like. But here's what the colors look like. Very, very, very beautiful. Oh, this is so, you really can tell this is very high quality. Oh, really hefty, nice latch. He really, oh, and 2 days ago, today is like, I don't know, what's today, the 12th? 2 days ago, he just released a new video, and it's called Bloodlust, his new palette. I know most of you guys have probably watched it right along with me. It's pinks and purples. You know I'm getting it. You know I'm getting it because those are my colors. Now the blue, I'll just give you a hint. Me and my daughter's already talked. She's probably going to get the Blue Blood, and I'm going to get her Alien palette. So that's the trade because I have been wanting the Alien palette, and she wants the Blue Blood. So we're going to do a little swap-a-roo. So, of course, I'm not going to swatch any of this because this is my daughter's. And as soon as I'm done recording this, she's coming over. So I will have my Alien palette. Okay, on to the next item. We got 12 items in here, guys. I better stop rambling so much. I feel like a little kid at Christmas. Jeffree, I found you and I love you. Okay, and this is his Brain Freeze highlighting palette. And I'm going to go ahead and open this and show you. This is the one I'm definitely keeping. This is absolutely beautiful colors. I'm going to hold it up for you guys. Oh, I can't wait to play with these. Oh. All right, so we got the Brain Freeze palette. We have the Pop Socket, Jeffree Star Pink Pop Socket for my phone. Now we have a gloss. Now I've seen a couple different shades of these lipsticks, and I'm hoping I don't get one, but I'm not, that's all I'm gonna say for right now. Okay, this one is called the Ice Cold. So this one I like. I've already seen other unboxings. You know, I couldn't help myself. I've watched so many of these unboxings. Oh, look how beautiful. Oh my God. Look at this, guys. Oh, that is just, oh, is that picking up how gorgeous that is? I really hope that's picking up. That is gorgeous. And look at his packaging. I mean, he really does nice packaging. Okay, now here's another gloss. Okay, I like this one too, and this is called the Soft Core Sparkle, and there's kind of the color. Oh, purple. I told you I love pinks and purples. So I'm going to go ahead and swatch this one too. Oh. I think it's just a little dry because it hasn't been used yet. Oh, it's just purpley, very glittery. It's going to look really beautiful on the lips. I really hope that's showing up how beautiful. Okay, now this, there's 3 more lip products. And this one is called Restraint. And this is like a gray, I don't know how to describe it. I'm going to say this is not going to be a color that I'm going to particularly want, so I am not going to open this. So I am going to put this in a giveaway, and I will give you more details at the end of the video. So that's going to go in the giveaway. And then we got Romeo. Yay, I was wanting Romeo. I'm keeping this one. This one is gorgeous. Oh, look at that color. Oh, look at that, guys. And then you put the lip gloss over it. Gonna be gorgeous. Okay. That's the Restraint. That's the one that's gonna go in a giveaway. And then, yeah, this is gonna go in a giveaway too. I'm not gonna open this one. I'm gonna give this Restraint along with Mistletoe. I was hoping some people had like a pinkish one, but I didn't get that one. But I'm gonna go ahead and just open it and show it to you guys, but I'm not gonna break the seal on it. It's not a color I would ever wear. It is a very Jeffree Star color. So I will go ahead and put this in the giveaway too. So we got 2 products. And then this one I'm going to go ahead and give in the giveaway also. And this is the Jeffree Star Velour Lip Scrub. One is Lemon Icebox Cookies Lip Scrub. So that'll be yummy. So you'll get 2 lipsticks and a lip scrub that's going to go in the giveaway. Okay. Oh, I don't want to get my hands dirty. Now here's the next item out. Oh, I'm so excited for this one. Oh, I'm going to definitely be using this when I go shopping all the time. I always have crossbody bags. So this is a Jeffree Star bag that would be very nice. You could throw your phone in there, go shopping, crossbody. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. Okay, and the last item out of the box is the Jeffree Star approved mirror. Now, let's see which color I got. But I'm not keeping this one, guys, because my daughter already wants this one. So I'm giving this one to my daughter. But I know she's going to be very curious. Let's see what color she gets. I don't want to rip it. Oh, she's going to be so happy, guys. Look what she got. Oh, she got the beautiful one that she's going to be so happy. The Jeffree Star mirror. Yes, ma'am. Okay, guys, that was all my items. Now, like I said, I'm going to put these 3 items in a giveaway. Okay, if you would like to be entered in the Jeffree Star giveaway for these 3 items, make sure, 1, you like this video. 2, make sure you're subscribed to my channel because these are only available to my subscribers. Make sure you have a U.S. shipping address because I can only ship within the United States. And 4, leave a comment down in the comment section. Simply enter me. That's all you have to write. If you want to write anything else, feel free. But only 1 enter me per person. And since today is the 12th, I'm going to get this video up right away. I will, for Valentine's Day, this is going to be very quick. I'm going to get this video out today, 12th, and I'm going to announce the winner on Valentine's Day. So this will be my Valentine's present to you guys, to all my subscribers who like and watch my videos, and I really do appreciate you guys. So on Valentine's Day at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, I will announce the winner to my Jeffree Star Valentine's giveaway. Good luck, everybody. And I was so happy to share my first Jeffree Star purchase with you guys. And until next time, guys, I'll see you later. Bye-bye.